Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a quick overview of some Tokyo snacks that I got. Unfortunately, my upload got deleted of me tasting them. So here is a quick overview and rating on taste and price as well. This is Tokyo Honey Tiramisu. This is how it looks inside. Let's go over taste. The taste is like a dried out cornbread. It's not sweet at all. It has a hint of tiramisu in it, not too strong. So let's go with rating. Taste 5 out of 10. If you're eating this while drinking matcha, I would bump it up to 7 out of 10. Now let's go with price. For this, it was $16. Overall, I don't think it was worth the price. Now let's move on to the next snack. And now we have sake flavored Kit Kat. Sake is a popular type of Japanese alcohol. Now let's go over rating or taste. For this, I would say the taste would be 8 out of 10. It tastes just like a Kit Kat and sake as well. And you get a strong hint of flavor from the sake. So if you like sake and you like Kit Kat, I would definitely rate this 8 out of 10. Now let's go with price. The price ranges from 4 USD to 6 USD. Overall, it tastes good and it's a great dessert, especially if you love sake flavor or sake in general and Kit Kat. So definitely recommend. Now on to the next one. We got Tokyo Banana Choco Banana Cookie. Now let's go over taste and price for this snack. This cookie has a banana taste. It's not too strong on banana, and also comes with white chocolate and chocolate. And for the taste, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Now let's go with price. The price for these cookies for a 6-pack is around 8 USD. This is another snack that I highly recommend. If you're in Japan, definitely get it. And here we have your Tokyo Banana Kit Kat. It's your Tokyo banana flavor fused with Kit Kat, and it comes with chocolate. Now let's go with taste and price. For the taste, I would give this a 6.5 out of 10. It was alright, but I think you could find better. And for the price, drum roll please. This is 5 USD. So if you're a fan of Tokyo banana flavor and Kit Kat, I would recommend it to try at least once. Now on to the next snack. And finally, last but not least, we have the banana cheesecake from Tokyo Banana themselves. Now let's go over taste and price. For this snack, I would give the taste around an 8.5. It tasted almost like a Twinkie and with a little bit of banana cream filling inside. And for the price, drum roll please. The price is 8 USD. So I definitely recommend this snack if you're in Tokyo and if you love cake desserts. So there you have it, your highly recommended snacks from Tokyo, Japan, and some of the least favorite snacks. Comment down on the comment section on which one you like the best and what do you think about them. If you like this video, follow for more and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, I'll see you on the next travel journey and the next travel snack adventure. Alright, take care.